to start off, I had a bunch of 5th grade students come to my classroom every morning for about a week, 2 weeks. And we first started with an outline of things that we for sure wanted to incorporate into this area. We did measurements and a blueprint, and then we voted on the top 3 that the students really liked. And then we took those blueprints and shared them with all of the teachers at the school. So it wasn't just a set of students or one set of teachers, it was the entire school that came together to really make this the best that we could for our students and staff.
We'll also be able to talk about quantitative and qualitative data. So right over here, we have a scale. And so students will be able to think about things from a quantitative perspective, meaning numbers, how many, how much does it weigh? But they'll also be able to look around at things such as straw, and they'll be able to look at qualitative data. What's the color? How does it feel? How tall is it? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? And just having that hands-on practice with all of the concepts that we're learning.